हेलो, नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है ऋषि पटेल। आपका स्वागत है टेच गीक्स चैनल में। आज हम बात करेंगे एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में जिसका नाम है, जिसने एमआईटी टेक्नोलॉजी रिव्यू के अंदर हमें एक नया ब्रेक थ्रू, जो टेक्नोलॉजी 2020 में एक नया अनहैकेबल इंटरनेट नाम, जो एक इंटरनेट बेस है on quantum physics, will soon enable inherently which secures communication. A team led by Stephen Wagner at Delft University of Technology is building a network connecting four cities in the Netherlands entirely by means of quantum technology. Means unhackable internet is known as quantum technologies, in which the messages are sent over this internet will be unhackable. So in the last few years, we can say that scientists have learned to transmit pairs of photons across fiber optics cables in a way that absolutely protects the information encoded in them. A team in China used in a form of technology to construct a 2000-kilometer network backbone between a Beijing and Shanghai, the cities you know very well. But their project relies partly on classical components that periodically break the quantum link before establishing a new one. So, before they establishing a new one, introducing the risk of hacking, a Delft network in contracts that it will firstly transmit the information between the cities using quantum technologies from end to end. So the technology relies on quantum behavior of atomic particles called entanglement. Entanglement. So what's basically an entanglement? So a technology which is rely on a quantum behavior. You know what is quantum? Quantum is behavior of atomic particles. Atomic particles are relies on a quantum behavior. So they are called entanglement. So entangled photons. Photons can covertly read uh, without disrupting their content. So without disrupting और विदाउट उसको परेशान किए बिना उसके कंटेंट को हम कवर कर सकते हैं. बट एंटेंगल पार्टिकल्स आर डिफरेंट टू क्रिएट. मीन्स इट्स टू मच हार्ड टू create and harder still to transmit over long distancing. So Werner's team has demonstrated a thing that it can send them more than 1.5 kilometers, so 0.93 miles, and they are so much confident that they can set up quantum link between Delft and Hague by around this end of the year, ensuring an unbroken connection over greater distances which require quantum repeaters that extend the network. So we can say in our language that such repeaters are currently in a design, so at Delft and elsewhere. The first should be completed in next to 5 years. So we can say that the Werner and the team with a global quantum network following by the end of the decade. So we can see that so much latest trending technologies, which are analytics, which are analysts, which are media on social media, on whatever the platforms, the AI, the machine learning, all the new technologies repeated by such a new decade. So people will face the new problems by the technologies, so they will learn from the new decade to how to prepare themselves for the security threats, and from the technology, the new technologies which are coming to accept them and to make a big impact on the industry. So for that time, the unhackable internet information is required to be बेस्ट फॉर यू. तब तक नमस्कार मेरे भाइयों. लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, और कोई भी डाउट हो मुझे अच्छे से बताइए. मैं उसके ऊपर वीडियो ज़रूर बनाऊंगा. तब तक नमस्कार, गुड बाय.